Hi, it's Natalie from Fabricland. We'd like to inspire you to give you some ideas to do some craft at Christmas. We want to inspire you to make something like an oven glove, a lovely apron. Our oven glove is a special bundle you've worked out for everybody, and this could be done for kids, couldn't it? And people at home who want to do something quick, but make it special. So you take it away, Max, and tell them all about what you've got in mind.
Okay, so what I've done is I've put some of our Christmas fabrics up here. We do a lot of traditional Christmas and a lot of funky prints. We've got unicorns for anyone that loves unicorns. We do this in a blue, and we also have a pink design here. Okay, I've also got this party sprouts, which would be good for a tablecloth because it's the wider width, or maybe a waistcoat or a pair of funky trousers. We've also got these Christmas prints. I've got the poinsettia. We do large designs and small designs, which is good if you want to do craft or you want to make clothing. People ask us about our felt all the time, so I've got some of our felt out.
Yes, and lovely quality.
Lovely quality. It's a nice thick felt, good for all your crafting needs. We do lots of colours. Our felt squares are cut from the same felt, so the 9x12 felt squares are the same.
We've got glitter ones, as you can see here. I've got my little bit of boa on because I think that's very festive. I love being festive at Christmas.
Yep,
being
so
Jewish,
we do marabou. We've got pink and shears on the website, glue, bells, motifs. There's lots to pick from. We've also got the pattern, which is for the oven gloves and apron in the bundle.
Or you've got a free bundle of oven gloves and you've given them the free pattern with all the stuff written on it, which is brilliant. Thank you very much. Say goodbye, Max.
Goodbye, Max.